Before taking the test, download the Dr. NeoDocs app. Sign up using your mobile number and OTP and then enter your first and last names. Then enter organization passcode and update doctor details like doctor's name, specialty, phone number, state and city. Please note that these details are to be updated only once when you register a new doctor. To start taking the test, click on the Add New Test button to add the patient details, name, age, gender, and other demographic information. Request the patient for their urine sample in the provided container and ask them to fill it completely. Dip the test card in the urine sample for 2 seconds and then place it on the control pad. Start the timer immediately after placing the test card on the control pad. Scan the test card immediately once the timer goes off. Your results will be ready in 30 seconds. You can share the report with the patient on WhatsApp and other apps by clicking on the Share button and also download and print the report if needed. To take another test, click on the Take New Test button. Click on the Add eGFR button to add eGFR or the serum creatinine value. Click on the Check button to view the patient's KDIGO map. To view the camp insights, go to the home screen and click on the View Insights button. Let's understand how to register and take the test at another doctor's clinic. Once you open the app, you can choose from existing doctors from the list or you can register a new doctor. Now let's understand how to add or switch doctor organization in the app. Firstly, click on Account and click on Switch Clinic Doctor. After that, you can select a different organization from the drop-down, or you can add a new one by clicking on the Add New button and then entering the same passcode used previously, provided to you by the team. Now let's look at some do's and don'ts to make sure that the test is taken smoothly and avoid any technical errors. Make sure you download the correct Dr. NeoDocs app. Make sure you select the correct organization when you take the test. Make sure that the bottom part of the test card where you see tiny boxes is dipped properly and completely in urine for 2 seconds to get accurate results. Scan the test card immediately after the timer ends. Don't open the pouch before collecting the urine sample. Don't reuse a test card after it's been dipped once. Always perform the test on a flat surface and make sure the room is brightly lit.